Have you ever wondered what secrets lie deep beneath the ocean's surface? What strange and magnificent creatures lurk in the abyss? Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most enigmatic animals in the sea, the squid. But these aren't your average, everyday squid facts. Oh no. We're about to uncover 5 mind-blowing truths that will make you see these tentacled titans in a whole new light. Did you know some squid are masters of the sky? Or that they possess a bizarre, almost alien-like anatomy? Stick around, because you're not going to want to miss this deep dive into the weird and wonderful world of squid. Let's jump right into our first astonishing fact. When you think of squid, you probably picture them gracefully jetting through the water, right? Well, what if I told you some squid can fly? Yes, you heard that correctly. Species like the Japanese flying squid have perfected the art of aerial locomotion. They don't just leap out of the water, they execute a sophisticated form of flight. By forcefully expelling a jet of water, they launch themselves into the air. But here's the incredible part. Once airborne, they unfurl their fins and stretch out their tentacles to form wing-like structures. This allows them to glide through the air for distances of up to 30 meters or nearly 100 feet. They can reach speeds of over 11 meters per second, which is faster than Usain Bolt's record-breaking sprint. Scientists believe they do this to escape predators or to travel more efficiently. Imagine being a sailor hundreds of years ago, seeing a school of squid soaring over the waves. It's no wonder tales of sea monsters were so common. So next time you're at the beach, keep an eye on the horizon. You might just spot a squadron of squid taking to the skies. Moving on from flight to biology, our second fact is about the very lifeblood of these creatures, and it's a strange one. We humans, like all mammals, have iron-based red blood. But squid? They're part of an exclusive club of creatures with blue blood. This isn't a royal metaphor, it's a biological reality. Their blood is blue because instead of using iron-rich hemoglobin to transport oxygen, they use a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin. When hemocyanin binds with oxygen, it turns a distinct blue color. This adaptation is incredibly useful for surviving in their environment. Copper is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen conditions, which perfectly describes the deep ocean where many squid live. But that's not even the weirdest part of their circulatory system. Prepare for fact number 3. Squid have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts, called brachial hearts, are dedicated solely to pumping blood through their large, powerful gills. The third, a systemic heart, is responsible for circulating blood to the rest of the body. It's a highly efficient, specialized system that fuels their active, predatory lifestyle. So not only are they blue-blooded, but they're also triple-hearted. It's an anatomy that sounds more like something from a science fiction movie than from our own planet's oceans. Now let's talk about brain power. When we think of intelligent invertebrates, the octopus usually steals the spotlight. But don't underestimate their cousin, the squid. Our fourth fact is that squid possess some of the largest brains relative to body size of any invertebrate. Their brains are complex and highly developed, featuring a unique donut shape. Why a donut? Because their esophagus, the tube that carries food from their mouth to their stomach, runs directly through the center of their brain. This means that everything a squid eats has to pass through the very core of its central nervous system. It's a bizarre anatomical quirk, but it doesn't seem to slow them down. This impressive brain power fuels their sophisticated hunting techniques, complex communication, and remarkable problem-solving abilities. They use a dazzling array of color changes, patterns, and postures to communicate with each other, from signaling aggression to coordinating hunts. Researchers have even observed them solving simple puzzles to get food. They are curious, adaptable, and far more intelligent than their simple appearance might suggest. They are the master strategists of the deep. For our final, and perhaps most colossal fact, we need to talk about size. Everyone's heard tales of the legendary Kraken, a mythical sea monster said to drag ships to the bottom of the sea. For a long time, that's all it was. A myth. But the reality is just as terrifying and awe-inspiring. I'm talking about the colossal squid. Living in the frigid waters around Antarctica, the colossal squid is the largest invertebrate on Earth by mass. While the giant squid may be longer, the colossal squid is the heavyweight champion. They can reach lengths of up to 14 meters, or 46 feet, and weigh up to 750 kilograms, which is over 1,600 pounds. To put that in perspective, that's the weight of a small car. And their eyes? They are the largest of any animal on the planet, measuring up to 27 centimeters or 11 inches in diameter, the size of a dinner plate. These massive eyes help them spot prey, like the sperm whale, in the near-total darkness of the deep ocean. But what's truly incredible is that these titans have rarely been seen alive in their natural habitat. Most of what we know comes from specimens found in the stomachs of sperm whales or caught by deep-sea fishermen. They are the true giants of the abyss, a living testament to the fact that our oceans still hold monsters and mysteries beyond our wildest imaginations. And there you have it. 5 incredible facts that prove squid are some of the most fascinating, bizarre, and awe-inspiring creatures on our planet. From flying through the air to having blue blood, 3 hearts, and donut-shaped brains, to the sheer terrifying scale of the colossal squid, they are a testament to the endless creativity of evolution. The ocean's depths still hold so many secrets, and the squid is a perfect reminder of how much we still have to learn and discover. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep-sea adventure today. If you found these facts as amazing as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And for more journeys into the wild and wonderful world of nature, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. What animal should we cover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.